another? Do you always find the whole process mind-boggling? First up is the Mining Lowboy trailer from Towhaul Corporation. It's a front-loading modular lowboy that maximizes the fleet's flexibility. Its front-loading feature not only adds to its uniqueness, but also increases the vehicle's speed and safety. This amazing lowboy is also capable of the Sleipnir transport system. If the name feels familiar to you, this is because it came from Norse mythology. Sleipnir was the trusted steed of a Norse god called Odin, and was known to be the best horse amongst gods and men, capable of carrying twice the weight at twice the speed of usual horses. This machine is a modern version of that tale. It has 8 wheels that carry heavy excavators and shovels. The Sleipnir is attached to the chains of a crawling crane and has a similar concept to rolling skates. To transport any machine, its bucket arm should be placed in the trailer so stable support is given, thus saving 85% of the usual time lost and cutting down costs up to 50%. This is the Panther Low Loaders from Payasenti & Son. This is the type of low loader that can transport payloads of up to 80 to 100 tons, or raising of the unit whenever it's required. The amazing Panther Series 2 low loaders does not only guarantee efficiency, experience a low loader with a high ground clearance which can also be remotely operated.